Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Herlina Manap SPD. Saya seorang guru bahasa Inggris di SMA Negeri 4 Pekanbaru. Dan saat ini saya menjadi seorang mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan kategori 3 tahun 2023 di Universitas Islam Riau. Video ini menampilkan praktik pengalaman lapangan yang saya lakukan di kelas 10. Materi tentang prosedur teks, how to make and how to do something. Selamat menyaksikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey class, nice to meet you in my English class with ma'am. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, it's better for us to pray together. Yes, with the captain of the class, please Nabil. Okay, today, how are you today, class? Okay, I'm very well. Thank you for asking me. Yeah, before we start our lesson today, I will check your attendance. Yeah, who's absent today? Who's absent today? Anis Kamila. Why she doesn't come to school? Anis? Because she is sick. Yes. Okay. Thank you. I hope that Anis will be better soon. Yeah, will get well soon. Yeah. Okay. What do you think about English? Do you like English? Yes. Why? Why do you like English? Because English is okay. Because English is easy. Because English is amazing. Okay. Now, I think education is the powerful weapon. Do you know weapon means senjata? Powerful weapon, senjata ampuh. You can use to change the world. What does it mean? Pendidikan bisa menjadi senjata yang kuat untuk bisa mengubah dunia. So, if you study hard, practice all day, you can get success. Okay, yeah. Now, before we start our lesson today, sebelum kita mulai pelajaran hari ini, who still remember our last lesson, descriptive. About descriptive text. So who knows what is descriptive text? Who can answer me? What is descriptive text? Yeah.
Descriptive text is a text that explains a particle or object with a detailed information.
Okay, what about you, Emanuela? What is descriptive text?
Descriptive text is a text about how to describe or
Someone or something in detail. Okay, good. Descriptive text is a text that describes something or someone in detail. Now, do you still remember what is the language feature? What is the the tense that used in descriptive text? Apa ya tenses yang digunakan dalam teks deskriptif? Ya, betul. Simple present tense. Okay. No, but for today we will discuss juga sebuah teks yang language features-nya itu sama, yaitu menggunakan simple present tense. Okay, but before that I have some picture. But before that, ya, sebelumnya, can you see from the back? Bisa lihat jelas dari belakang ya. Nah, sebelum kita masuk materi hari ini, ada tujuan pembelajaran, learning objektifnya, yaitu yang pertama, student are able to know the social function, generic structure, and language feature of procedure text. Siapa yang bisa menjelaskan in Indonesia? Apa ya tujuan pertama pembelajaran kita hari ini? Student are able to know. Are able means bisa, can. Nah, coba.
Siswa mampu mengetahui fungsi sosial, struktur, dan bahasa.
Unsur kebahasaan dari teks prosedur. Oke, good. Give applause. Ya. Oke, what about the second one? Roji, students are able to write good procedure text by using social function, generic structure, and language features.
Siswa mampu untuk menulis teks prosedur yang baik dengan menggunakan fungsi sosial.
Fungsi sosial.
Fungsi sosial, struktur dan unsur bahasa.
Oke, bagus. Berarti ada dua ya. Give applause for Roji. Ya, ada dua tujuan pembelajaran yang diinginkan setelah kalian nanti mendapatkan penjelasan tentang prosedur teks. Yang pertama, student are able to know. Student bisa mengetahui social function, generic structure, dan language feature of prosedur text. Dan yang kedua, siswa mampu menulis teks prosedur tentunya dengan menggunakan fungsi sosial. Social function itu sama dengan purpose atau tujuan dari teks ya. Kemudian generic structure the same with part of the text, bagian dari teks. And language features itu sama dengan unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan di dalam teks. Oke. Nah, before we are going to the text, I have some picture for you. Nah, before I show you the picture, so you observe and analyze. Kamu observe, kamu lihat dan analisa. Apa ya yang akan kira-kira mem tanyakan? Ya, tentu gambar ini berkaitan dengan topik kita hari ini. Can you get it? Yes. Okay. Okay. What do you think? Is it clear from the back? No. Jonathan, could you close the door? Okay. Can you see? What picture is this? Jikama. What is jikama in Indonesia? Bengkoang. Okay. Bengkoang has many vitamins. It is good for our health. Yeah. Next picture. What about this one? Mango. Do you like mango? Yes. Alexa, why do you like mango?
Because it stays sweet and sour, ma'am.
Okay. It's also sweet and also sometimes sour. What is it? Sweet means manis. Sour? Asam. Okay. So, what is the vitamins inside mango? Fresh. Yeah, vitamin C. Okay. Good. Next, what about this picture? What picture is this?
Water apple.
Water apple. What is it? Water apple Indonesia? Jambu air. It also has many vitamin inside the fruit. What about this one? Pineapple. What about pineapple? Who likes pineapple? What about you, Azura? Do you like pineapple? Why do you like pineapple? Yeah, the taste is also sweet and sour. Yeah. Could you tell us what vitamin inside the pineapple fruit? Do you know what vitamins? I think vitamin C. Yeah. Okay, vitamin C. Pineapple also has antioksidan ya, bisa mengikat antioksidan. Misalnya kita ada penyakit diikatnya itu. Nah, so you have to always consume that pineapple ya. Harus selalu makan ini. Apalagi biasanya your father yang biasa merokok. Biasa orang merokok ini is good for them to consume ya. Bagus untuk mereka. Ya, baru tahu ya. Okay. Next. Okay, the last picture. What bread? Cucumber. What about cucumber? Do you like cucumber? Yeah, why do you like? Because we can eat as lalapan. Bisa kita makan sebagai lalapan juga. Okay, how many fruit that you see just now? Berapa banyak yang kamu lihat? First, jicama. Next, mango. Next, third, water apple. Fourth, pineapple. Last, cucumber. Okay, there are 5 fruit. Okay, I have the last slide. Mem punya last slide. Now, what do you think is theirs? What do you think? Peanut sauce. What we call peanut sauce? Kuah rujak. Peanut means kacang. Sauce kuah kacang atau saus ya. Nah, my question is, if we mix the 5 fruit all together, pineapple, ya, cucumber, mango, and we put peanut sauce. What could that be? What could it be? Rujak. Oh, that's easy. Yeah, we can predict that. Ya, you can guess. Okay. Iya betul ya. Nah, itu hari ini kita akan lihat orang makan rujak. Next ya. Okay, I have the video for you. I have video. Mem punya video lah. After watching the video, okay, class. Nah, when you watching the video, please observe and analyze. Ya, amati dan analisa.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel in slide. Today I would like to show how to make text procedure. Text procedure ini harus dikuasai oleh anak-anak yang sekolah di level sekolah menengah pertama atau junior high school. Mereka harus mulai mengenal jenis-jenis teks, nggak cuman jenis-jenis tenses aja, namun harus mulai mengenal jenis-jenis teks. Procedure text. What is the purpose of the procedure text is how to instruct someone to do something. And the structure feature of the procedure text, first, a goal, and then tutorial, and then equipment, and the structure feature of the title of my procedure text now is how to make tutorial, and then equipment, and apa ya?
Okay, what do you think? The video, is it interesting for you? Yeah. Now, do you know what we are going to talk today? Yeah, what? What? How to make rujak buah. Okay, the goal from the video is how to make rujak buah. So, who can answer my question? What is the material that used in that video? What material do we need to make rujak buah? Jonathan, please. Jonathan, how many material?
Materials 5.
5, okay. Could you tell me? Cucumber, mango, papaya, okay.
Watermelon,
Okay.
and like the ingredient for peanut sauce, like
Okay. What is the ingredient for peanut sauce?
is salt, brown sugar,
Okay, brown sugar, okay. Peanut, fried peanut, okay. Hot chili, water. Okay, so what is a tamarin? What we call tamarin in Indonesia? Asam Jawa, ya. Okay, good. Material and also ingredient. Thank you, Jonathan. Okay, who can tell us how many steps to make rujak buah from that video? How many steps? 7 steps? Okay, could you tell me the first is 5 or 7? Are you sure that? 5 or 7? 5. Okay, tell us. First, ya, materialnya itu ada many fruit ya, just a 5 fruit ya. Ada papaya, cucumber, pineapple, watermelon, and so on ya. So, and also ingredients. Ingredients, there are peanut sauce, hot chili, brown sugar, tamarind, fried peanut juga, water, and also salt. What do you mean salt? Garam ya. So what about the tools? Apa toolsnya? Apa itu tools? Peralatan yang digunakan. Oke, yang di sinilah. Nah, Imanela. What is the tools that used in that video? Knife, okay. Spoon. Bowl, okay. Plate, is it okay? We use plate, piring. What else? Itu yang kita grind itu? Grinder. Nah, kita menyebutnya ulekan. Okay. Do you like rujak buah? Yeah, maybe someday we can eat rujak buah ya. Okay, thank you. Can you get the point kira-kira bisa memahami tentang prosedur teks? Okay, so today I have a worksheet for you. I have divided you in 4 groups. Yeah, 4 group consists of 5 students. Next, I will distribute first, and then after I distribute the worksheet, I will give you the instruction how to do the worksheet. Okay? Okay, listen to me. Before you do the worksheet, yeah, all group member, hello, I will give you the name. First group, second group, third group, and 4 group. Yeah, you are 4 group. All of the group, there are 4 group here. So first and 2 group, have you take the paper, the worksheet? Okay, so listen to me. Okay, on this worksheet, there are on the left column, there are a series of picture here. Ada rangkaian gambar, and you should find. Please look at the right column. Pada sebelah kanan, di sisi sebelah kanan, there are jumble sentence. Ada apa itu jumble sentence? Kalimat yang tidak berurutan. So please arrange this jumble sentence into good order. It's based on the picture, based on the series of picture. And after you discuss with your friend, as I explained that, after you discuss with your friend, put the answer on the middle of your paper. Can you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After you find the answer, you use this cardboard. Kamu gunakan ini, karton ini. I had give you a series of picture on the envelope. Di dalam amplop itu sudah ada potongan, a series of picture, and also jumble sentence. So please put on the cardboard, and yeah, you make the title here. Make the title. For example, what is your prosedur? The title? How to make bread and salad. So you make here on the top of the cardboard. How to make bread and salad. Yeah, and then arrange the series of picture here, and also series jumble sentence. Now after that, analyze. Setelah itu analyze. What is the social function? function. Apa itu social function? Tujuan. The purpose of the text. What about the hide and seek group? Can you get the point? Do you understand that? What I mean? Yeah. After that, find the social function. Apa itu tujuannya? Seperti tadi di video. And then language features. Language feature apa yang ditanya? Unsur kebahasaannya. Put here, ya. And write down here. Unsur kebahasaan itu apa? Unsur kebahasaannya tadi nak? Kira-kira. Nah, bisa we can see on this like you can see from the video ya. Peel the thread and cut. Green all the material. Nah, semua ini perintahnya use simple present tense. Can you get the point? Okay, thank you. Just do it now. In how many minutes? 20. Yeah, 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay. What about hide and seek group? Can you understand that? How to what to do? Okay, thank you. Okay. First, make the goal of your procedure text. Yeah, write down the goal, and after that, after you find the answer, what is the best answer? Maybe from the series of picture, maybe the second, yeah. What is the first? The second picture is number one, maybe like that, yeah. What does it mean? Pour. Tuangkan all bread into a bowl. There is a keyword here. Ada kuncinya. Apa itu? Bowl. Yeah. Okay, next. What about this one?
Add some cheese on the top of the fruit.
Okay, how do not it is the cheese?
Because
What is
there
the cheese?
Cheese in the fruit.
There is a cheese on the top of the fruit. Okay, yeah, garnish, yeah. And the last, finally, salad fruit with chimory is ready to be served. All complete, yeah. All the procedure of how to make salad buah is complete. Okay, good job. Like, had you find the social action verb there? Action verb. Apa itu action verb? Kata kerja aksi. Nah, find up here. Apa itu kata kerja aksi? Kata yang memerlukan aksi. Like sit, ya, run. Okay. Can we discuss? Okay, so if we can discuss it, stop doing your job. Now, whose group will be represent? Kelompok yang mana ya yang akan pertama kali mempresentasikan ke depan? Please, Jonathan group. All you group member.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone. So today we're going to explain first the text about how to make salad fruit. So before we explain about how to make salad fruit, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Aldana. My name is Aldana. I'm doing research at Marina.
Okay, it's the how to make salad fruit. The first step is first cut all the fruit into small pieces and put it in a bowl. The next is second prepare and put the mayonnaise, milk and chimory. After that mix all. And after that all fruits mix with mayonnaise and pour all fruits into a bowl. And next add the cheese in the top of the fruit, put also some garnish. And finally, salad fruit with chimory is ready to be served.
Okay, the goal of your procedure card is how to make salad fruit with chimory. Okay, what about Andrew? Do you have different opinion or the same opinion with Jonathan group? The same opinion, okay. What about the step? Do you find the different opinion? No. Yeah. How? Is it okay? You have the same opinion also? Yeah. Okay. To know the step untuk mengetahui langkah-langkah to make a procedure text, karena grup Jonathan and Aan ini adalah how to make something, bagaimana membuat sesuatu. So we have to know from the sentence connector, ya. Dari sentence connectornya di sini kelompok Jonathan menyebutkan bahwa ada di situ clue-nya.
The first step is gather at least 2 players and decide someone to be the seeker. We need at least 2 people to play hide and go seek. One person to hide and one person to seek. There's no limit for how many players you can have. The more people you have, the more fun you have.
Lanjut future. Simple present tense. Imperative sentence. Example. Mix all fruit with mayonnaise. Cut all the fruit. Put the mayonnaise, milk and cemori.
Okay, we know the step from sentence connector, ya. Ada firstly itu menunjukkan step yang pertama, secondly step yang kedua, thirdly step ketiga, after that selanjutnya, and finally itu menunjukkan step yang terakhir. Okay, do you find in your text there is a simple present tense sentence? Could you give me one example? Ya, kalimat simple present tense. Do you find that?
Salad fruit with cemori is ready to be served.
Okay, salad fruit with cemori is ready to be served. Okay, what about Niken? Do you agree with their opinion? Yes. Okay, do you have the same opinion with them? Okay, thank you for Aan group. Thank you very much. Okay, that's good answer. Today we are discussing about procedure text. As you do just now, seperti yang sudah kalian lakukan hari ini, procedure text, you can see on the slide, ya. Procedure text is a text that explain, inform, or help the reader on how to make or how to do something. Apa artinya, Ananda? Teks yang menjelaskan, memberikan informasi, atau membantu pembaca how to make, bagaimana melakukan sesuatu, membuat sesuatu, mengoperasikan sesuatu. Nah, kalau hari ini yang kalian lakukan hanya ada 2. Pertama, how to make something, how to make salad fruit, and the other, how to do something, how to play, seek, and game. Next, we come to the structure. Means tujuan. Tadi grup Jonathan sudah menjelaskan dan grup Aan. Ketika goalnya adalah ada fruit, tentu itu adalah ada fruit, ya, macam-macam buah, ada juga saladnya, ada mayonnaise, ya, ada yogurt juga. So, goalnya adalah how to make fruit salad. Okay, good. Nah, language features. Apa itu language features? Unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan di dalam teks prosedur. Seperti yang kalian gunakan tadi, ya, nak. Simple present tense, ya. Simple present tense ini, siapa yang tahu simple present tense itu? Tenses yang digunakan to tell about fact. Now, I have a worksheet for you. Yeah, you just do individually, ya. Okay, Ananda, had you complete all your assignment? The 5 question had you already done? Okay, please, Jonathan, would you like to help me submit all your paper? All the friends assignment, ya. Yeah, that's good answer. Valentino Rossi, how to make scrambled egg. Okay. Alden, okay. I think all your answer is correct. It means that you had understood about the topic today. What about our topic today? Do you like that? Thank you. But don't forget for the third activity, please look at for the second activity is actually use the link ya. Kamu boleh lihat lagi di rumah. Di sini ada link, kamu bisa akses. Ada beberapa assignment yang bisa kamu kerjakan di rumah ya nak. Oke, thank you for today. Tetap semangat. Nanti buat di kertas ya yang memberikan tadi. Ada kertas kan? Ada kertas yang sudah kalian kumpul ya. Nanti kalian buat ya. Ada bagaimana refleksi. Bagaimana menurut kalian pembelajaran kita hari ini? Can you get the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam